Good morning, Vieira with the Stock Market Live.tv. Today we are going to discuss obviously these two companies, leading companies on the exchanges worldwide, global companies. Apple, strong sell since 133. Shares are currently trading at $95.30. The downgrade in Apple came 1 year ago in February 2015. Downgrading shares, recommended to close entirely investment position long term in Apple, and in the past 1 year shares have never crossed or closed above $133. So a triple downgrade in Apple to sell initially and then to strong sell. Ahead of earnings, we announced live on the blog of the company Apple price target cut. So I think that was pretty simple to understand that shares of Apple, they were going down, all right? So doubling the size of short positions. But by far more important than Apple, it was our call in Boeing, a former strong buy, as the case of Apple, also a former strong buy. In the case of Boeing, we announced a downgrade at 156. We announced also that we were investing in Boeing according to Goldman Sachs. The only mistake that Goldman Sachs did during the past months was to be very bullish. Boeing, since their price target was $138. My price target on Boeing by far lower, and therefore a strong sell rating instead of a sell rating by Goldman Sachs. In case of Goldman Sachs, plenty of mistakes. Goldman Sachs maintained a strong buy rating in Apple ahead of earnings, and also on the end of last year in 2015, when shares they were trading at $122, instead of downgrading, they raised the targets in Apple, saying that Apple remained a compelling investment opportunity. Well, today you have Apple at $95. I would say that if you are being bullish Apple long term, $95 it is by far better than buying or investing in Apple at 122. And therefore our investment strategy in Apple, it has been, as well as in many other stocks, it has been hold. You don't trade Apple, you hold onto it. And hold onto it, it means holding since $133 on the short side. And not only that, as you are aware, we are the only company in the world that never missed one single call in Apple, and the only company also in the world with a strong sell rating in Apple. I can give you here 10 reasons to buy Apple stock right now, as well as Jim Cramer, who represents 98% of the American population. He can give you 100 reasons to buy or to keep adding to Apple, and this because he has been saying precisely the same since Apple thought. He did the same with regards to Boeing. He announced that Boeing was a compelling investment opportunity precisely when shares they were trading at the very top. I'm referring to a price $156, not to believe in Goldman Sachs. And you find a video and an article on the website of the company at stockmarketlive.tv saying that you had to sell, it is very clear, the title of the video, sell Boeing shares on Jim Cramer upgrade to strong buy. All right, so you had plenty of time to sell your position in Boeing, as well as you had plenty of time to sell your position in Apple. And therefore, congratulations to all those investors who have been following my personal guidance in the markets. I've been very clear, the markets, they were going to crash. You had to sell everything. If you didn't sell everything, you deserve entirely your losses. So next time, probably you learn. If you don't learn, I guarantee to you that you will always learn the hard way, since you don't invest in the markets according to your own beliefs or to third-party beliefs, but according to a long-term vision. Otherwise, in 2014, I will not have announced that oil was going to crash, and if you didn't believe, today you are bankrupt. So I wish you good luck as an investor in Apple, as an investor in Boeing, and don't forget, today you have these stocks at by far better prices than you had last year in 2015. So we expect analysts to raise targets and to announce wonderful products. For example, they are already raising estimates in Apple. According to the most recent numbers, probably the best product in history, the iPhone 7. iPhone 7, according to stock analysts, is going to be the best thing since sliced bread. Thank you and good luck.